Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Riot and Valorant so the config file isn't locked. Once done, open File Explorer and enable hidden items. App data is hidden by default. Next, navigate to see /users /% username %/ app data /local /riot games. This is the root of game data. I explain why. The config lives in your user profile to keep settings tied to your account, not the installation drive. Make sure to run Explorer as your user, not as administrator. Once in the Riot folder, enter the Valorant or the relevant game subfolder where settings are stored. You're looking for game user settings, system settings, CFG or similar names. These control input, graphics, and crosshair values. Before editing, make a backup copy to a safe location, desktop, or a folder called Config Backup 1 because edits can break launch behavior. I tell you why. Backups restore working defaults quickly. After backing up, open the file in Notepad or a plain text editor to view editable keys. To finalize, edit only values you understand, sensitivity, resolution, crosshair lines, and save changes. Once saved, consider setting the file as read-only to prevent automatic overwrites by the client. This preserves tweaks while you test. Launch Valorant to confirm changes applied. If the game fails to launch or revert settings, make sure you have the backup ready. Restore the file or delete the edited file to force the client to recreate defaults. If issues persist, remove read-only and try again. This resolves most permission conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.